How I won the Great Evernote Expert Bake Off. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. And if you'd like to have that recipe that won, stick around, you'll have it. When fun and learning meet, expect the learning to stick. And that was the idea behind an invitation sent to the Evernote experts, of which there are about 150 worldwide. You see, we regularly come together to share our knowledge of Evernote and how to best share it with the world. And in this adventure, we shared our recipes and used Evernote as the medium to do so. Each of us was invited to share one favorite recipe. To do so, each of us created a note within our own Evernote accounts and constructed the recipe. Here's mine. You can see it right now. Evernote let me drag a photograph of the finished product right into the note. I created a table and listed the ingredients. I created a second table and added the instructions. And it's viewable from any device, whether it's your desktop computer or a tablet or your phone. So the next thing was how to submit this recipe. Well, to submit the recipe, what I did was to create a public link. To do this, all I had to do was open that note in Evernote that had my recipe and click the share button. And then I see a little URL. I'm able to just flick a little switch to make it a shareable link so that anybody that has that link has access to view the note. So now I have something that I can share with the world. And when you go to that link, you'll see that it looks just like a web page. There are no page breaks. So very easy to view on any device that you have. And anybody with that link can view the notes. If you give that link to someone else, they'll be able to view the note. They'll be able to make that delicious cake. So all the other Evernote experts did the same thing. Then the contest took on the flavor of March Madness. The Evernote social media team got busy and fashioned Instagram stories. Each panel featured photos of two recipes with a poll where people could vote between the two recipes. And then the winners from each pair advanced to the next round, and so forth and so on. And the delicious coconut cake that was my favorite recipe was the winner. So you can not only have my recipe, you can have the whole cookbook. Here's what Evernote has done to make it easy for you. The Evernote team created a note, and inside that note, they created a table with two columns. In the first column was a link to each recipe. In the second column, a picture of the finished product. Now, how's that going to be made available to you? The Evernote team just went up to the share button, flicked a little switch to make it a public link. And here is the link that will take you to that cookbook. You'll see it looks just like a web page. There are no page breaks. It's viewable from any device. And now what you're going to notice is that link expands to a very large link. So this is one of the reasons that I like to use a bit.ly link shortener. I just take that long link and shorten it to what you just saw a moment ago. Now, if you're an Evernote user, you can go a step further. Click the little Save Copy to Evernote button that appears for you, and a copy is saved into your own Evernote account. At this point, you could even make changes to it. It's just like you took something and laid it on the Xerox machine and you're taking your copy. You can annotate it any way that you want to. All the recipes are yours. It's only a click away. Now, the activity was fun. And although my submission was voted the winner, the real winner here is anybody who's overwhelmed by the amount of reference material in their world and hungry for a way to organize it. The more you use Evernote, the more valuable it becomes. So do you have an Evernote account, but you just haven't used it in a while? It's time to revisit Evernote. And if you're new to Evernote, go over to evernote.com and create your own free account. You can do it today. You can have it for free. Thanks for stopping by. And if you like this video, you'll probably enjoy these two videos right over here. Give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.